Nakita ko rito ng quick action with the chariot card right here. Parang quick na action dahil sa bilis or dahil sa pagka-fast ng action ito. Parang this is a situation na posibleng ikainis or parang ikakaba, 'yan 'no, ikakaba ng isang person dito. So, it might be you or it might be the person that you're dealing with 'no, parang, posibleng makagawa rito ng aksyon na mabilis tapos after mangyari yun parang may pagkamot sa ulo na may kasamang kaba, ni-nervyos. Okey, so alamin natin kung ano ba yun. Oo, kasi ang taas ng emosyon, eh, oh. Because the emotions are really vibrating high, I do see that this person here is posibleng parang magulat din siya 'no, sa nagawa niyo. Alamin natin ano ba nangyayari rito. Yung iba sa inyo, okey, doesn't have to be resonating to all, pero yung iba sa inyo, posibleng inaantay niyo itong person na 'to or may iniintay kayong gawin niya. Okay, let's go ahead. Check more. Nagpapakita sa aking vision right now 'no, there is someone here na looking intently sa kanyang phone. So, this is something here na parang long message 'no, it's like a draft na tapos naman na niyang gawin or tapos naman na niyang i-type or tapos naman na niya talaga na parang i-compose kung ano man yung gusto niyang ilahad dun or sabihin dun 'no. Nakikita ko na yung mensahe na yun is posibleng para sa'yo. Pero for some reason, I'm seeing na ito ay nakatago lamang, no? Pero I'm seeing right here that it is continuously, no, na tinititigan at tinitingnan, no? And it is almost, hindi lang everyday, kundi mayat maya niyang tinitingnan, yung kinumpose niyang mensahe, no? Pero for some reason, no, pag tinitigan niya yun, lalo mangyayari, di ba? So yeah, it is a long message right here, no? But for some reason, dun ako sa pinakadulo, no? Nakaka-focus, no? And this is something here that this person here wants. Yan. So ano bang meron dun sa dulo, miss yan? It could be any, any long message, no? Depende sa kung sino yung person na kadil ninyo, no? But posibleng ex nyo ito, no? And I was being drawn doon sa long message na yun, no, right at the bottom of that particular or specific na mensahe niya sa inyo, no, that person here wants another chance, no, with you. Yan. So, I hope makuha natin, no, ano pa ibang nilalaman kasi blurred yun, pero dun sa dulo, ang pinaka malinaw na nakikita ko, no, is this person here wants to get back sa relationship here with you. Yes. Hmm? Double energy, this person holds a lot of energy sa inyo. So this person here could be sentimental, sobra ngayon. And this person here is anxious. Anxious, no, is worry. So this person here is worrying about something here, no? So what I'm seeing right here is this person. Actually, this person here is trying not to look at your photos eh. This person here is trying yung kanyang best para hindi niya tingnan yung profile photo mo, profile picture, profile account mo, no, any social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, ano man yan, iniiwasan niya na wag yung tingnan eh, no? Parang ina-avoid niya rito. But at the same time, this person here keeps on opening and opening that particular long message, no? And it has lots of emotions with this Ace of Wands energy, but this person keeps that message stuck. Eight of Wands, Eight of Swords right here. Okay. So whoever this individual is, I do see that this person here could be seeing a lot of number eights, but whoever this individual is, I think this person here holds a lot of stuck moment with this obsession of keeping that long message to himself or herself. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Hey there, collective. Thank you so much for your time here. And hi and hello new subscribers. Ako po si Yan. Welcome. Tuloy po kayo. At sa mga returning and pabalik-balik ko dito mga viewers, thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta. No? So, if interested kayo, meron pa po tayong other channel. The link is down below. Malaya din po kayong tumambay dyan. Okay? So, pero just take only what resonates. Okay? So, wala tayong gender here din, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. And you can flip roles if you want. Of course, you can do that since this is general reading. And at the end of the day, you always have your free will. Okay? At free rin kayo, syempre, na gamitin yung free will na iyan. So, I do see right here that there is someone na talaga naman na parang kinumpose niya yun. No? Tapos na siya to compose that message, no? Maaring binura na rin niya yun, tapos ni-retype niya ulit, no? This person here is parang natagalan siya i-compose yung message na yun, no? It is a long message, no? But I was being drawn right at the bottom of that message, no? And it is very clear, while the others, no, is blurred, no? But we're lucky enough to see kung ano pa yung ibang nilalaman nun, okay? Here in this reading. But I do see that this person here stabbed you in the back. May kasalanan siya sa inyo. Oh. This person here stabbed you sa iyong likuran. So, kung ano man yan, this person here could had left you, abandoned you, or siya yung nag-end ng relationship ninyo. Sa anumang paraan yan, just take how this resonates. This person here could possibly be your long time ago ex, or this person here, you could have forgotten already the feelings mo para sa kanya, no? Or you're starting to forget your feelings for this person here. Oh, however, I do see na kung sino man tong individual na to, no? I think this person here keeps a lot of resentment sa kanyang sarili. This person here is obsessively thinking about you, but trying his or her best not to look at you, not to even imagine your face. Okay? Para saan pa miss yan yung mahabang message na yan? Kasi sa totoo lang, mga babes, no, guilty siya sa kung ano man yung nagawa niya sa inyo rito. Ano man yun, it could be involvement ng abandonment. Pero whatever the case may be, I do see that this person here, kahit na inistab niya kayo in the back noon, this person still wants to go back, no, sa relationship ninyong dalawa. Yan. So, parang yun yung apology message, no? And that person here, nag-a-apologize siya dun sa message na yun for abandoning this connection, for ending this connection, for causing Three of Swords energy heartbreak sa inyo. This person here is actually telling the truth sa kanyang long message. Not itong long message na to, no, I think this person stays up all night for a lot of maraming gabi, no? Kasi hindi rin naman siya makatulog, no? So parang either this person is composing here how apologetic siya, no? Or if it is not a cellphone sa iba, puwedeng ito ay letter or journal 'no, na posibleng dun niya sinusulat yung mga gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo 'no, 'yan. So, for some reason, I'm strongly picking up na sa cellphone ito. Kinompose niya ito sa cellphone, sa notes man 'yan or sa notepad sa cellphone or sa message mismo. Whether it's chat, whether it's, text message, okay, just take how this resonates, but it is still, being kept sa cellphone. Draft, like hindi mo pa nase-send, pero tapos na niya itong gawin. Okay, kumbaga parang na-edit niya na 'yun multiple times already, na-check niya na lahat, parang andodo'n na lahat ng gusto niyang sabihin sa inyo, how sorry siya, 'no, pati yung mga bagay na parang hindi naman niya kailangang i-explain, in-explain niya din do'n, 'no. Miss 'yan, lahat ba ng nilagay niya do'n totoo? Well, I must say yes. 'Yan. This person is actually sad right now. Pero at the same time, pinipigilan niya ritong huwag kang isipin, 'no, parang it's a crime for him or her to think about your face, parang wala siyang karapatang isipin yung mukha mo daw. And I think the message na pinaka-nakukuha ko dun sa wala siyang karapatang isipin yung mukha mo, it is because this person stabbed you in the back. Whatever that, pagka-traitor or betrayal na ginawa niya sa inyo, okey, that lead to abandonment. Okay? So, strongly maaaring inabandon na kayo nito ng hindi kayo prepared. Nakita ko rin kasi yun dito. Parang hindi kayo prepared no, nang iniwanan niya kayo. Siguro baka bigla na lang siya ritong nawala ng ghost, no? Or parang siya to na hindi mo inakala out of all the people in the world na siya pa yung mangiiwan sa inyo. No? May mga ganun tayong nakukuha rito. No? So, this is something here that this person composed for so many nights, 'no, hindi siya makatulog rito, 'no, lahat nakalagay na dun, 'no. And, I do see that a part of this letter or a part of this message, text message, email, whatever, 'no, I think this person here is stating, 'no, na parang, um, "It might be too late, but I realized I loved you." Yeah, you see, this person really is guilty about what he or she had done sa inyo. Betrayal, traitor siya, whatever, no? This person here, I think there's a part of him or her uh, wanting to set you free for good. Like, wag na talagang gambalain kayo ever. But thinking of ending a cycle here with you makes him or her feel more sick. Parang how can I be able to live yung totoong mabuhay talaga in happiness if hahayaan kong tuluyan talagang magsara ito. Pero ano nga bang magagawa ko? Ako may kasalanan kung bakit nangyayari ito sa aming dalawa ni Collective. Yan, no? This person here, even though he or she stabbed you in the back, maybe there's a third party situation here. Maybe there are options in the past, okay? Maybe there are issues and concerns na hinayaan niyang makasira sa inyo, whatever that is. I do see that this person here is holding a lot of regrets because of letting you go in the past. Kaya ngayon, nandito sa isang sitwasyon na parang ito yung kaya niyang gawin. Mag-compose ng message, no? Pero walang lakas ng loob na isend sa inyo. Teka lang miss yan, yang message na yan, yang mahabang message na yan na tinititigan, paulit-ulit niyang binabasa, may balak ba siyang isend yan? Well, consciously, wala siyang balak isend yan. Okay? Parang ginawa niya lang yan. Sinabi niya lang yan. Dahil yan yung nilalaman ng puso niya. Pero, consciously, consciously, di ba? Okay? Yung parang aware siya, gising siya, no? Yan, yung parang ganun siya, no? Yung diwa niya gising, kinumpose niya yan, pero wala siyang balak isend yan sa'yo. And now, your question is, makakarating pa ba yan sa akin, miss yan? Yung mahabang message na yan. Well, I must say, yes. Because the universe right here will make a way. And this ex of yours, aksidente niyang masisend yan sa'yo. I told you earlier that this message, no, is matagal nang na-compose, matagal nang tapos, wala na siyang maidadagdag dyan. Nasabi niya na lahat, na-edit niya na lahat, nabura niya na, lahat ng gusto niyang sabihin nandiyan dyan na. But the universe, okay, has its own way for you to be able to read it. Okay? So, nakikita ko rito that this person here will accidentally send you this message kasi alam mo, this is something here na matagal nang gawa. At ikaw din yung recipient. Ikaw rin yung receiver nito. Yun yung nakikita ko rito. So, alam naman natin na ang send ay isang pindot away lang. Kaya nakikita ko rito na mapapadala ito sa'yo accidentally. Like subconsciously, this person here is parang subconsciously, 'di ba? Parang hindi siya rito aware, parang wala siya rito sa parang katinoan no, or whatever no, maybe baka nakainom siya niyan 'no, or baka baka masyado siyang busy 'no, na wrong send siya 'no, ta's ito naligaw siya sa ibang, um, recipient 'no, tapos ikaw pala yung na-message niya 'no, eh, may na-compose na dun na send niya, yung mga gano'ng bagay. So, I do see that this is something here that will cause panic sa person na 'to. Oo. Kasi sa conscious mind niya, hindi niya ito paparatingin sa inyo. But however, makakarating pa rin 'tong message na 'to sa inyo. So you will be able to look at the whole message coming from this person here, okay? Pero anong naglalaro sa isip ni universe, Miss, yan? Bakit pa kailangang mabasa ko yan? Well, the universe, marami siyang paraan, okay? At nakikita ko rito, yung iba sa inyo, baka ito na rin yung sagot sa matagal niyo ng tanong. Yung iba naman, baka hinihintay niyo na magkaroon ng closure 'to kahit na parang, hindi mo nagugustuhin na bumalik sa connection with this person. Gusto mo lang ng closure. Yung iba naman, baka ito na yung hinihintay mo na confirmation sa kung ano man yung hangarin mo rito, okey? The universe has its own way. Pero nakikita ko na parang hindi sa kinakampihan ni universe 'tong person na 'to 'no, pero kasi alam mo naman na si universe wala naman talagang pinapanigan 'yan, 'di ba? Wala naman din talagang hindi bias si universe. Kaya maybe the universe also help this person here 'no, para maka-move forward na rin siya sa buhay niya, hmm. Alam naman natin na sa inyong dalawa mas kailangan ng person na 'to 'no, ng alalay at guidance kasi hindi niya masyadong ma-align yung sarili niya sa spiritual lessons. Unlike you, I think you are already doing great or you are now in a good place. Not anymore, in that place wherein you feel really sad about the situation that this person abandoned you, betrayed you, left you out in the cold, but this person here needs more guidance, no? Kasi talagang ligaw na ligaw siya rito. And yes, makakarating pa rin yung mensahe na yun sa inyo, no matter what happens here. Yeah, this person, okay, nakikita ko rito na magpapanik siya dahil makikita niya na na-send sa'yo. The universe has its own way. Okay? Baka may manghiram ng phone niya na friend. Possible yun, 'di ba? Mapindot yung send accidentally, no? So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing that it's by accident na sinasabi rito, no, ng person na 'to, no, it's by accident, kaya yan mapapadala sa'yo. Pero, with this Four of Coins energy, no, Nine of Swords, and there's this Ten of Wands, no, sa kabilang banda, titingnan niya pa rin itong mensahe na 'to, no, in a brighter side na parang, o sige, mabuti na rin na na-send na yun, kahit aksidente yun. Kasi parang bawas na rin sa bigat ng nararamdaman niya, 'no? Parang at least man lang makarating sa'yo yung talagang tunay na nilalaman ng kanya ritong heart. Kasi wala siya ritong kabalak-balak ng i-send sa'yo yun, eh. Siguro dahil ayaw ka na rin niyang guluhin, 'no? Kasi hindi ko naman siya nakikita rito na parang gusto niya pang manggulo or mag-cause ng problema sa'yo, hindi, eh, okey? Pero sa kabilang banda dahil wala na rin naman siyang magagawa, na-send na 'no or mase-send na 'no, siya 'to na parang mabuti na rin na mabasa niya yun or malaman yun ni Collective. At least nalaman niya pa rin kung ano yung gusto kong sabihin at naparating ko pa rin. Sana lang talaga binasa niya ng buo yung mensahe ko, 'yan. So whatever the case may be for a lot of you, I'm seeing na babasahin mo yung message from start or beginning nun up until the bottom part of the message. So yeah, okay? Whatever the case may be, just take how this resonates. But this person, you will receive his or her message for you coming from his or her heart. Parang it might be too late daw, but at least you know what's really going on sa kanyang thoughts at sa kanyang heart. So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here from this ex-lover of yours thinking about you intensely. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and sarang heyo, love and light. Annyeong.